I'm Zarishma Bean, and dear students, in this video we are going to learn simple English of chapter number 5 from the textbook of grade 10, that is television versus newspaper. In my previous videos I have discussed different steps and the ways that how we can rewrite a paragraph in simple English in quite easy way. So in this video we will practice chapter number 5. So let's start. Paragraph number 1. Dear students, listen to the audio very carefully. News coverage over TV is different from reading newspapers. Newspapers were primarily established to cover the news and later on they added entertainment. On the other side, TV was mainly invented for entertainment and then it became an effective news medium. Now, TV news has become a powerful rival to newspapers. Though both of these mediums cover the news effectively, there are distinct differences in the way they do it. Here, in this paragraph, I have underlined certain difficult words, and in the next page, we will find out the meanings of these difficult words. Coverage means broadcast, different, various, primarily, basically, established, formed, later on, afterwards, or after that, entertainment, amusement, mainly, largely, or mostly, invented, designed, effective, successful, powerful, strong, medium means source. Rival means competitor. Effectively, productively. Distinct, clear. Differences, contrasts. Now we will simplify that paragraph, and for that I have replaced the difficult words with the easy ones that we have explored. So let's do the simple English. News broadcast over TV is various from reading newspapers. Newspapers were basically formed to cover the news and afterwards they added on the amusement. On the other hand, TV was mostly designed for entertainment and then it became a successful source of news. Now, TV news has become a strong competitor of newspaper. Though both of these sources cover the news productively, there is clear contrast in the way they do it. Paragraph number 2. Newspapers don't require us to sit at a place and read the news. Busy people may read the newspaper any time of the day. They may read the news that is important to them early in the morning and carry the paper with them to read in the bus or van. They may also choose to omit certain aspects of the news that they are not interested in. You have seen that I have underlined certain difficult words and look at the meanings of these words. Require mean demand. Busy mean engaged. Important means essential. Carry mean take. Choose means select. Omit means to leave out. Certain means definite. Aspect, features. Interested, concerned with. So let's do the simple English of paragraph number 2. Newspapers do not demand us to sit at a place and read the news. Engaged people may read the newspaper any time of the day. They may read the news that is essential to them early in the morning and take the newspapers with them to read in the bus or van. They may also select to leave out definite features of the news that they are not concerned with. Let's move towards the paragraph number 3. Paragraph number 3. Television, on the other hand, requires its viewers to be at a certain place at a certain time in order to watch and listen to the news. If they are busy people, they will miss the news. They cannot choose to read it on the move or throughout the day. They cannot even choose which piece of news they wish to skip. One way could be to record it and watch it later. So now we will find out the easy meanings of underlined words. Requires mean demand. Viewers, watchers. Certain, definite. Busy, occupied. Choose, select. Throughout, all over the day. Skip means omit. Record means save. Simple English of paragraph number 3. Television, on the other side, demand its watcher to be at a certain place at a definite time in order to watch and listen to the news. If they are occupied people, they will skip the news. They cannot select to read it on the move or all over the day. They cannot even choose which piece of news they wish to omit. One way could be to save data and watch it later, but the point here is that it is not suitable. Paragraph number 4. TV brings laziness in us. We can view the news with a little or no effort, since it is practically a form of entertainment. If we have the leisure time, we can view the TV news any time of the day and night. It broadcasts the news as it is happening. Much mastery of language is not necessary for the person who prefers to view the news on TV because everything is visual and auditory. A person with a basic knowledge of the broadcast language will be able to view and understand it. In comparison, the reader of the newspaper needs to be proficient in language in order to understand it better. Now we will find out the easy meanings of underlined words. Here you can see the list. Laziness means dullness, practically, basically, entertainment, amusement. Leisure means free time. Broadcast, transmit. Happening, going on. Mastery, proficiency. Necessary, essential. Visual, visible. Auditory, hearable. Basic, fundamental. Comparison, contrast. Proficient, skillful. Simple English of paragraph number 4. Television brings dullness in us. We can view the news with a little or no effort, since it is basically a form of amusement. If we have free time, we can view the television news any time of the day and night. It transmits the news as it is going on. Much proficiency of language is not essential for this. Persons like to view the news on television because everything is visible and hearable. A person with fundamental knowledge of the broadcast language will be able to view and understand it. In contrast, the reader of a newspaper needs to be skillful in the language in order to understand it better. Paragraph number 5. Although TV can give us the most updated news and visuals, newspaper can give us more in-depth coverage. Editorials and column writers can give us their expert views and analysis that we can digest slowly as we read them. Many people also opt to read more than one newspaper a day, so as to get different viewpoints of the story and check for its validity. Readers can also give feedback to the articles by writing to the forum pages. Viewers of television news do not have this luxury as the news flies too fast for any feedback to be relevant. Now find out the meanings of difficult underlined words. Updated means current, in-depth, extensive. Editorials commentary, expert special, analysis investigation. Digest means understand, opt means like, different means various or distinct. Validity, soundness. Feedback means response. Articles means written material. Luxury means comfort. Fast means quickly. Relevant means connected or concerned. Let's do the simple English of paragraph number 5. Simple English of paragraph number 5. Although television can give us the current news and visuals, newspapers can give us more extensive coverage. Commentary and column writers can give us their special views and investigations that we can understand slowly as we read them. Many people also like to read more than one newspaper a day so as to get distinct point of view of the story and to check its soundness. Reader can also give response to the written material by writing to their forum pages. Viewers of television news do not have this comfort as the news flies too quickly for any feedback to be connected. Paragraph number 6. Each medium has strength that the other does not. Each makes use of strong points that the other lacks. TV news is like having a fast food meal, whereas reading newspaper is like having a 10-course dinner. The ideal seems to be if one has a time to both read the news and watch it on TV. Meanings of difficult words. Medium, source. Course dinner, types of dinner. Ideal, perfect. Seems to be, looks to be. Let's do the simple English of paragraph number 6. Each source has strength that the other does not. Each makes use of strong points that the other does not have. Television news is like having a fast food meal, whereas reading newspaper is like having 10 types of dinner. The perfect looks to be if one has the time to both read the news and watch it on television. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.